Hello, dear readers. I'm Dr. Pallavi Chaturvedi from Mumbai, Kandivali East, and I'm practicing here since 2007 onwards. And it was the same year in which I passed out from my college, that is Yerla Medical Trust Homeopathic College in Kharghar, Navi Mumbai. So, when I passed out in March 2007, and to be more precise, 23rd March 2007, and I started my practice immediately on 1st of April 2007. And what gave me the confidence, at that time when I was in my college, there were very few of us who were really sure that they want to practice homeopathy only, and there were many of them who were into hospital working as some or the other assistants and other posts, but not inclined for homeopathy. There were some of them, I had seen my seniors who had left homeopathy completely and they had diverted into different fields. So then, what gave me the courage and the confidence to practice homeopathy were the teachings of my master, Dr. Milindrao sir. So, when he passed away in 2016, and his students who were there, who joined our organization, that is Hahnemannian Homeo Forum, which was founded by Dr. Milindrao sir. There were so many students of HHF who attended the tribute seminar we had organized. And I was at that time leading the Telegram group of people of the homeopaths, and I was sharing whatever I learned from my master. And that is the time when they actually approached me and requested if I can convert those teachings into a book form, so that it is more handy for them to use practically in their clinics, because every now and then they can't refer to the Telegram chats. And it will also help the other people, the new joinees, to refer to the book as a reference, as a guide, the step by step process of taking a case, of finding out different avenues of a case. So this was the idea, that yes, and it really inspired me, and he actually came in form of these students. I'm so sure of that, that sir himself was there in the tribute seminar. His vibes were there, and it was his message that his teachings has to spread to other homeopaths, and book is the best way to do this. So this is how I started writing this book, and it took me 4 years of time for me to bring it to a conclusion, a satisfactory conclusion. Although homeopathy is an ocean, and there can never be an end to it, but it is just a beginning, I feel. And what makes this book different is the guideline that on which it is based. It has made homeopathy so simple and replicable in your practice, in anybody's practice, that any homeopath, the name of my book, going back to the roots, revisiting the fundamentals of homeopathy. If why I say that it is for the students of homeopathy, it is for the beginners of homeopathy, and it is as well as suitable for the well established practitioners of homeopathy. It covers a wide range of people out there who want to practice homeopathy and progress in their practice in every way possible. Why it is suitable to all? Because when today I'm in my practice for 16 years, but after 16 years also, when I'm reading Organon of Medicine as part of my MD program, so when I feel that when I read Organon today and when I read my Organon of Medicine book in my college time, there is a vast difference in my understanding, in my perception. And what I understood at that time, I feel that it was just a part of it. I did not understand the whole. But when I read it today, I feel that, I should keep on going on and on and on with the pages, and I get more depth in the sense, in the content of organon of medicine. So why going back to the roots is essential. It keeps us more grounded, and it takes us deeper. It takes us deeper to understand the essence of the science. So whenever we are confused, or whenever we are finding a case challenging, any practitioner of homeopathy can go back to this book, and it has simplified the concepts, and Sir's teachings will definitely guide them through in every kind of case. It covers an array of possibilities of how you can enter, from where you can enter a case, be it the age of the patient and the address, say, like, up to psychodynamics, the potency selection, the management part. Little of everything the book covers. So and this is what I feel, that this book should reach every homeopathic practitioner, and you will definitely gain much more. And I have also connected Sir's teachings to my clinical cases, how I have used his teachings to solve my cases. So I really wish good luck and fortune to every reader. Thank you so much. Bye.